Well guys, welcome to Amegat. If you can see the name there, it's pretty cool. It's quite a nice little bag. It's kind of like soft leather, which is really cool. What's inside, that's actually what's more important. Charger cable, and look at this. So that's quite a nice little bag. This is pretty cool. It's from the company called Amegat. They sent us one of these to have a look at it. It's basically for iPhones, iPhone 12 and newer, not older. What it is a wireless charging station. You can charge your iPhone, you can charge your watch, your iWatch, and you can charge your EarPods, which is pretty cool. All of it is wireless. Look at that. That's for your AirPods, I imagine. There's your watch, and obviously this is for your phone. Now, some small little problem that I had is I don't have an iPhone because I'm an Android person, which is all very well and good, but we're going to try it out anyway, because what we've done is we've got a little workaround. So first of all, we need to plug it in, which I'm going to do. Lights come on. And what we've got here is an iPhone 8, so it's a little bit older. It's an iPhone 8 Plus actually. Still in excellent condition, look at that. This one doesn't have the ability to wireless charge, it's not magnetic. So what you can do with that is get one of these bad boys. Looks like it's even got the plastic on it. This is a magnetic ring which your iPhone can sit in, and then it will connect to this, snap into place, and there you go, it starts charging, which is rather cool. I haven't tried to charge to see how long it takes to charge yet. Basically what I believe is that it needs to be plugged in, the charging station, but the rest is all wireless, so that's pretty cool. Put your phone there, put your watch in there, and underneath you can get your AirPods, excuse that. And yeah, it's a pretty good, slick looking thing. As I said, I haven't tried to see how long it'll charge. We're in 26%, but it is charging at the moment, which is rather cool. It's a nicely made piece of kit. This folds up quite nicely, slim, size of a flip phone I suppose, carried around well. Soft padding on the bottom, which is cool. This is all very slick, and just flick it out and off you go for charging. I don't think it can do it wirelessly. You have to have it plugged in. Yeah. I'll plug it in here and see what happens. There we go. It's actually charging. That's pretty cool. So there you go, guys. Thanks to Amegat for sending us this. There's the name. Nice piece of kit. Good little bag you get with it, which is quite nice. It's very nice material. Kind of soft leatherish stuff. This folds up quite nicely. Pack it away, and you've always got some charging station for all of your iPhone accessories. Not 3 different cables or 3 different charging moments, and you have to keep swapping. One place, maybe it'll sit on your nightstand. Ready, snap your watch onto there, snap your phone onto there, and you're ready to go. So there you go, guys. Hopefully this has been informative. As I said, I don't have an iPhone. We have an old iPhone 8. Still works brilliantly. So I've got to say, iPhone is good stuff. And with this little back cover with a little magnet, off you're off and away. Let's have it quickly as we end off. Plug it in, see what happens. There you go. Well, have a look at these guys. There's a link below, obviously, and yeah, maybe it'll help you in your next purchase. Does it work? Yes, it works. That's all you really had to know. It's a really good, well-made piece of kit. Seems to be, I'm not sure if it's plastic. There's obviously magnets in there. And yeah, really nice piece of kit. So, one more quick look here. Non-stop surprise. Power in. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you on the next one, and keep rolling.